Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on repairing the Thermomix TM31, specifically focusing on the circuit board and control panel. In today's video, we'll ensure you understand every step involved in this process. So let's dive right in. First, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, pliers, and a multimeter. Ensure your workspace is clean and well lit for optimal visibility. Next, unplug the Thermomix TM31 before beginning any repairs. Safety comes first. Begin by removing the base cover. This is usually secured with a few screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to take them out, setting them aside in a safe place. Once the base cover is removed, you'll see the circuit board and control panel clearly. Take a moment to inspect them. Look for any visible signs of damage like burn marks or loose connections. If you suspect any component has failed, follow up with your multimeter to test the continuity. If you're unsure about the diagnosis, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. It's always good to consult an expert if you need extra eyes. Carefully disconnect the wires connected to the circuit board. Note the placement of each wire. Taking a photo can be helpful for reassembly. Once the connections are free, you can unscrew the circuit board from the base. Ensure to keep track of the different screws. They may vary in size. While the board is out, this is a good time for a thorough cleaning. Use a soft brush to gently remove any dust or debris from the circuit board. Avoid using any liquid cleaners as they could cause further damage. For internal cleaning, consider using compressed air to blow out any stubborn particles. Now let's turn our attention to the control panel. Often, the issues you might face arise from faulty buttons or connections. Check the connectors, and if needed, replace any broken components. Ensure that the new parts fit securely. If you opt for professional assistance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just convenient service right at your location. After everything is cleaned and inspected, it's time to reassemble. Place the circuit board back, securing it with the screws you previously set aside. Reconnect the wires carefully, ensuring each is placed back in its original position. It's crucial to double-check the wiring to prevent future issues. Finally, after everything is back in place, reattach the base cover and secure it with screws. Make sure all connections are snug and the screws are tight. Before plugging in your Thermomix, take a moment to review your work. Ensure everything looks good and that you didn't miss any screws. Once you're confident, plug it in to test. If it powers up and operates smoothly, you've successfully repaired your Thermomix TM31. And remember, if any issues persist, don't hesitate to get a quote before repair or consult a professional who understands these devices. Repairs become easier when you have the right support. Visit our website for more information on how we can assist you. Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description.